Happy Sabbath family. Look at this. This is beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. This is breathtaking. I know. Okay, so welcome on board to my Saturday walk routine. I thought I'd bring you along. It's so beautiful. I've never had to do this for Yacht Finance YouTube platform. I think I have done it on the portraits for TikTok. And so once again, if you do not follow me on TikTok, do me the honor, and Instagram is all Yacht Finance. On this platform, we educate. It's all about finance. It's all about the next level. It's all about upgrade. That is what it's all about. Wow, this is amazing, isn't it? Yeah. Anyway, I've also noticed from our analytics that a lot of you watch Yacht platform, our videos, but then you don't leave a comment, and you do not share. Please, we bring you the best. Do me the honor and just subscribe. Probably that's the least you could do for this platform, all right? Do me the honor and subscribe, share, like if you can. God richly bless you for doing that. All right, so on this morning walk, I thought I'd bring you along, and this is nature. This is beautiful, priceless. Look at that. All right, so I want to use the opportunity to answer some of the emails that I've received. I know that when it comes to finances, a lot of people do not like to have that open conversation, which I really appreciate. And so, yeah, I receive a few emails here and there. And so an opportunity for me to actually answer some of this. The first one I'm going to answer is the first question that I ever received. And it says, if you had nothing and all you have is your 9 to 5, what will you do? All right. What I would do is I will impact in myself. I will educate myself. I'll find the first £1,000 and educate myself, because I'm entering into a space I yearn to be. I want to do well. I want to go beyond my 9 to 5. For me to be able to go beyond my 9 to 5, I need to ensure I have that in-depth knowledge. If it is stock market, I want to make sure that I have some level of knowledge, how to select stocks, that you are able to read some margins, candlesticks, you're able to read companies' fundamentals, basic things like that you should be able to know how to do. Secondly, I will do all that I can to ensure I have no debt. Yeah, I'll do everything I can to ensure I have no debt, because if you have debt, then I'm sorry, there's no point of you entering the stock market, especially if you have nothing. There is some stage in life that it is all right to have debt and still invest or do well, go into businesses here and there, because personally, I advocate for going for debt for businesses anyway, but it is dependent on where your financial intelligences, your resilience level is dependent on where that is. Because if you do not have that high level of resilience, then I'm sorry, there's no point of you even trying that space, you understand? And so I also encourage that. But if you have debt, then it's something we can do to actually start paying that debt off. That's why I keep advocating. Send that email to yachtfinance25@gmail.com. Yeah, I have a course. I also have a one-to-one support that I do to help you to get to the next level. There are some journeys you don't do alone. You need others to come on board to support you. And it's all part of your upgrade and that investment you do in yourself. Number 3, I would do all I can to affiliate with the right people. So I will list all my friends, and say I have 10 friends I've listed. And I'll be taken with a pen by the book, in honesty. What do I do with friend A, friend B, friend C, D, E? You see, like that, what do I do? What do we actually talk about? Because if we spend 2 hours on the phone and it's all about us talking about the internet, consuming content and discussing the content, is us overly complaining about things. I'm sorry, no. I need to be talking to that friend who is also in the same space, season as I am. That friend who intend to also move from a space to a space. And let me reduce this to you being in class. Permit me, this is not going to be edited. This is so permit me for the probably there may be a little bit of repetition, the ahs and then the ums. Please permit me. I don't want the sun to come in here, and so let me turn this way. Yeah, I think it's better, because otherwise if I go beyond, then I may have the sun, because that's the road just behind me. Look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? Ooh, I wish I could walk like that. That is beautiful. Yeah, yeah. All right, so as I was saying, we need to ensure in class, if you could do well in class, it's also dependent on who you affiliate with, you see. Because if you affiliate with those who believe the world ends in that class, then of course there isn't much that is going to come out of you, and I can actually preempt what your results are going to be like. But then if you affiliate with those who are grounded, you see, because it starts from the home, then we know that there's some form of prospect. And so do all you can to ensure your network is actually people who are ahead of you in everything. Yeah, in everything. Because you see, to also do well, you need to be a humble person. And being humble is someone who is ready to learn from those who are already ahead of them. And so we are not into to discuss all the, oh, but I also have this. You want to show off. You want to show them that you can also do this and that. No, there's no point of us you doing that. All right. And with finance, it's a steady pace. We don't rush it. We don't run it. It's a progression and ease progression. Anyway, thank you so much for watching Yard Finance. And once in a while, I'll be doing